In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 VPN Not Connecting. We'll keep this clear and practical by focusing on three core checks: your internet connection, your login details and server address, and the VPN protocol you're using. Walking through these carefully will resolve most connection problems without guesswork. First, confirm that your internet connection is stable before involving the VPN. Disconnect from the VPN if it's trying to connect, then open a couple of regular websites or stream a short video to see if pages load quickly and consistently. If things feel slow or intermittent, toggle Wi-Fi off and back on from the taskbar, or briefly switch to another network if you have one available. If you're on Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or, if possible, plug in with an Ethernet cable to remove wireless variables. The goal here is to make sure the base connection is solid, because a VPN can't fix an unstable link. It can only ride on top of it. Next, verify your VPN username, password, and server address. Typos and extra spaces are a surprisingly common cause of failures. In Windows 11, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then VPN. Click your VPN connection and choose the option to edit or manage it. Carefully retype your username and password, paying attention to capitalization and special characters, and avoid copying trailing spaces from a document. Now check the server name or address field. Make sure it matches exactly what your provider lists, including any region prefix or domain ending. Even a single missing character can prevent a connection. If your provider offers multiple servers, confirm you're using a currently supported one rather than an old or retired address. Save your changes and try connecting again. If it still won't connect, change the VPN protocol. Different networks and firewalls handle protocols differently, so switching often helps. If you're using your provider's app, open its settings and look for Protocol or VPN Protocol. Try OpenVPN first if it's available, then IKEv2, and then L2TP. If you're using the built-in Windows VPN, go back to Settings, Network and Internet, VPN, select your connection, and choose Edit or Advanced Options. Find VPN type and switch to IKEv2 or L2TP/IPsec. Note that L2TP may require a shared key from your provider. If you don't have that, use IKEv2 or switch to your provider's app to access OpenVPN. Apply the change, reconnect, and see if the status stabilizes. Work through these three checks methodically, and you should be back online securely in just a few minutes.